Now guys, we can add a teen section over here. So let's add another strip. It's okay, I think I'm using it. Yeah, it's over here. We can change the background section, background color. You can change the picture as well, and this design also. Let's close it. Suppose you don't want to use these sections, so let's delete it. Delete. Let's make her designer. I've copy and pasted, Control C and Control V, or Command C and Command V for Mac. Suppose he is a CEO. And he is a marketer. Well, he looks like a marketer. Well guys, if you want to add more members, then what you can do is just copy this and Control C and Control V. So you can add multiple people.